Hello everybody, today I want to show you how to insert a SIM card in the Xiaomi 12 Pro. Before we insert the SIM card, I just want to talk with you about the SIM card. And here you can see I have a so-called nano-SIM card on my finger. This is the smallest SIM card you can buy at this moment. There are two different other models. They are slightly bigger. The first one is the micro SIM and the biggest one is the standard SIM. They are a little bit older. And the newest one is the nano SIM. So if you want to use a SIM card in your Xiaomi 12 Pro, then you must use the nano SIM card. If you don't have one, just call your provider and they will send you a new one. So this second thing is where we must put our SIM card in. So it's here at the bottom, and you can see here is a little drawer, and in this drawer you can see a little hole, and we must put something in it. And for that we must use your box, and in your box from the Xiaomi 12 Pro you can find this tool. This is a so-called SIM card ejector tool. It's a needle, and this needle fits perfectly in this little hole for the Xiaomi 12 Pro. But if you don't find your box, no worries, you can also use the good old paperclip. And you can see I have here a standard paperclip. I just bent it a little bit and I can use this paperclip to open this drawer. So I just put in this paperclip here and just press a little bit, and then you can see it opens. And here you can see SIM 1, and on the other side here is SIM 2. So you can put two SIM cards in the Xiaomi 12 Pro. And when you can see, and if you look at your SIM card, you can see here is a special corner, and this special corner you also have here. So there's only one possibility to put in your SIM card, so you can do nothing wrong, so no worries. And then we just place it back into the Xiaomi 12 Pro. And now after a few seconds it will recognize it, and you can see here enter SIM for card 1, and here in my case it's 4 times 0. I press OK, and then it will try to directly connect with the signal here, and it takes a little bit. You can see it here, and it will take a little bit, and after a while it will activate it, and oh, you can see it here. Here it's activated and everything's fine now. So I can just go outside now and chat with my friends and go on the internet and whatever I want to do. Okay, this was it, how to insert a SIM card in the Xiaomi 12 Pro. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.